Good day and welcome to the Trezoro Loyalty Series. Today, we will talk more about rewards. Your members with their accrual should have their first redemption at a minimum of 6 months from joining your program. If not, then they are either not visiting your shop frequently or probably shifting to your competitors. It could also mean that your reward is not appealing enough. So let's take a look at these 3 types of rewards. First is the tiered program. This type refers to rewarding members progressively. It is like a hierarchy system where each tier or group has corresponding offers. And as they move to a higher tier, the more exclusive the benefits will be. Under a tiered type of program, a member can qualify from either points earned or spend levels. Setting different points or lifetime spent with well-thought-out rewards create that aspirational element to your program that will motivate members to work towards your set targets. Next is a fee-based membership. An example of this is a club membership, where a member pays a fee upfront for instant rewards. It's like a VIP tier, but the benefits are activated by purchasing the membership as opposed to hitting a spend level. This normally offers the most attractive rewards possible. If you're going to charge your customer into joining your loyalty program, you must bring that value back to them and offer the most enticing benefits. We can also include a prepaid type of reward under this one. Example of this is a bundled item that your members can purchase in advance and they get to enjoy or use the credits in exchange for items in your shop. Think about a reverse punch card. Third is bonusing. This refers to offering extra points on certain items that allow members to earn more points to get to your program targets faster. Setting a sign-up bonus is also an example. Rewarding them with bonus points by joining your program is a good way to start. Remember, nobody wants to start with 0. So that's it for this series. Remember to be creative with your reward setup and keep in mind that your reward targets must be realistically attainable. Good luck and thank you for watching.